What is the difference between internal heating and external heating soldering irons? An external heating soldering iron consists of a solid soldering iron tip and an external mica heating core. Heat is transferred from the outer heating core to the internal soldering iron tip. Since the heating core is outside the soldering iron tip, part of the heat will dissipate into the air, resulting in a longer warm-up time and relatively low heating efficiency. However, it has three advantages. 1. The soldering iron tip is solid, which ensures a long service life. 2. It offers high power ranging from 25 watts to 300 watts, with various specifications available. 3. Its large size makes it labor-saving when welding large objects. Internally heated soldering irons consist of a hollow soldering iron tip and a ceramic heating core. Heat is transferred from the inside to the outside of the soldering iron tip. This design features a heating block and high welding efficiency. The power typically ranges between 30 watts